So this is question 18 is another question, problem solving leading to quadratic, and it is also also under the category of rates because it deals with per minute. So if you need to, you might want to draw a little bit. So there's an empty tank, and this is 3,000 liters. And then pump P can fill the tank at the rate of X liter per minute. So again, right, you can think with a number. So 1 minute is X liters. So maybe you can think with a nicer number, like maybe 1 minute, it pump in 100 liter. So think about X as a 100. You use a number to help you think. So how long will it take for 3,000 liter? So if it is 1 minute, 100 liters, I think it's so easy to understand that it's 3,000 divided by 100. So the time will be 3,000 divided by 100 minutes. But since the 100 is something like imaginary, so the 100 is not supposed to be there. So instead of 100, it is supposed to be X. So for this question, part A, pump P takes 3,000 over X minutes to fill the tank. So again, you play with numbers to help to facilitate your thinking. So that will also help in the other one. So we got another pump Q. So in 1 minute, it will fill up X minus 10 liters. So this one is given to you already. So how much time does pump Q will take? So the time taken by pump Q will be the 3,000 liters over the amount of time, and it will be in terms of minutes. Okay, so pump Q will take, so this one will take 3,000 over X minutes. And this one will take 3,000 over X minus 10 minutes. So after this, let's go on to the last part. Not the last part, the proving part. So make sure you got these two parts first and make use of the 25 minutes. So how do I make use of the 25 minutes? Pump Q takes 25 minutes longer. So this is the longer quantity. So this is the shorter. So pump P takes shorter time. That means pump P is actually faster. So you should take the longer one, the bigger number, the bigger fraction. Take the bigger fraction to subtract the smaller fraction, and that will be a 25. So again, how are you going to arrive at this quadratic? You got to make same denominator. And then you cross multiply. So make same denominator and you cross multiply. You got to try it out. So again, if let's say you fail to get the equation, So during exam, fail to get the equation, you still solve the equation. Carry on with the solving. So I'm going to carry on with the solving. So you carry on with the solving even though you couldn't reduce it. So the typical method, factorize. In this case, you will get x plus 30, and you will get x minus 40. So you will arrive at two possible answers. So you will arrive at two possible answers. Okay, and then your job is to do not reject the answer. You will just accept it first. But later on, okay, where you're supposed to do the last part, you will need to use the relevant one. So again, right, x represent liters. So your explanation will be something like, since x is greater than 0, the chosen x should be 40. So you use your 40 to answer the question. So how long will it take to fill the empty tank using pump P and pump Q together? Okay, so how long will it take to fill it up together? So from here you can answer, try answering it. Okay, so most people, they are able to answer it, but it's just that when they get the answer later, they may not know how to convert. So what you will do is, you will take the fraction part, multiply by 60, so that you can convert to the nearest seconds. Okay, so in case you didn't know what to do with the 40, so once you get the 40, right, you go and reread the information. That means, right, P, instead of x hour 1 minute, that means in 1 minute, it can pump 40 liters. So, and for Q, in 1 minute, it can pump 40 minus 10 liters, which is 30 liters. So the question say, pump P and Q, do it together. So doing it together means that 1 minute, they are going to pump 40 liter plus 30 liter. So the time will be 3,000 liter divided by the 70. So you must be able to use the value, return it to the question, and now you interpret the whole question without the x. So this is another rate question.